Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how I did this 3-colored ombre, and it's my first time doing this type of ombre, so let's see how I managed to doing that. So here I'm just showing you that I started off with a natural colored tips and I'm doing the stiletto shape. And also I went in and I added a clear base of acrylic to that nail, and this is what I will be working with. So I'm going in with this orange colored acrylic, and this is from the Sassy brand, and I'm just using that towards the end of my nail, and I'm just feathering that upwards towards the cuticle area, not far up towards on the cuticle, but I'm basically just feeding that upwards, and I'll be doing this on all my nails. So I'm just adding small beads at a time, and because I will be going over with clear acrylic to build the nail up, I do not want the nail to be too bulky, so I'm using small beads and I'm just adding acrylic where it's needed. Okay, so now I'm going in with this pink acrylic powder, and this is the Glam and Glits. This is from the Glow collection. I can't remember the exact name of the acrylic, but I will be sure to link that down in the description box down below. So if you guys are interested in finding out the name of this pink acrylic, I will definitely put the name down in the description box. So I'm just going in with that color and I'm putting that on top of the orange, and I'm just basically fading it downwards into the orange to create my first ombre. The brush that I'm using is a number 6 brush, and I got this from my local beauty supply store. So I'm basically just going over all the nails with this pink to create my first ombre layer. As before, I am lightly feathering that downwards, and I'm using small beads and applying when needed, where needed, and yeah, that's just basically how I'm applying. I'm not doing it too thick because I will be going in with clear acrylic. Okay, so now I'm going in with the Q-Touch Dark Nude Acrylic Powder, and this is my 3rd color, and this was where it started getting really difficult for me. As you can see there, I picked up the pink acrylic and I started to add that back in because I felt like the nude was covering the pink too much, so I had to go in with the pink and the orange and the nude, and I just added small beads wherever necessary so I could get that nice ombre look, and so I could see all 3 colors because the nude was definitely covering the pink too much and I didn't like that, and so I kept adding back the colors as needed. So I'll be doing this on all my nails. Okay, so now I'm going in with my clear acrylic powder, and I'm basically just doing like a one ball method and also adding in acrylic where necessary. I'm just encapping these three colors so I can protect my ombre and so that the nails can be a bit smoother. So these are my nails after they've been encapsulated, and you can see how smooth that looks so far. So I'm going in with my electric file and I'm just smoothing the nail a bit. And also I'm going around my cuticle area just to clean up that area so it can have a smooth look right through. And I use my hand file off camera because it was kind of getting out of frame, so I did not add that to the video. So these are my nails after they've been file shaped and buffed, and I'm going in with my gel top coat. I am using the Ugly Duckling gel top coat. I'll be curing this for 60 seconds in my LED UV lamp. So since it does has a sticky layer, I am removing that using my alcohol and a piece of towel, paper towel. So here I'm just adding my cuticle oil just to bring back some moisture to my fingers because they are crusty AF. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'll see you in my next one.